Time check, 3:03 p.m. What's this? Okay, we're gonna change. Should I barely continue speaking English even though it's not good? Or I will continue Filipino language. What is this? 7-Eleven, bro. How the earth you make a 7-Eleven here? The stock is this one. There's a lot. There's a milk, coffee beans. So ano, may 7-Eleven. Gagi. Who's the owner? Maybe a Filipino, I don't know. Bro, nice plot. You have a 7-Eleven. Yo, daddy chill. Hala, tignan natin yung niya. Oh, what's up? Bro, how you made 7-Eleven, bro? How that guy made a... I don't get it. So we have less, okay. And what is this? Oh, bro. Meron na siya nito. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap hanapin yun. What is this? Okay, we got jelly bean. Just kidding. That's a puffer fish something like that. Bro got a aircon. Okay. A double deck. Side deck. I know. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Bro, this is nice. And it's open right there. Okay. Oh, you can color that thing also? Ang ganda ng plot niya. Okay. I am curious how you create 7-Eleven, man. How? So it's just a painting. So the other one is... Oh, another painting. It might be a painting. Okay. Okay, we have lots of photo in this corner. I don't understand. Okay, life update. I changed my looks right here. Crying thingy. Edit photo. Not that. Hold on. Edit avatar. I'm literally crying, man. Okay. Okay. Check natin dito sa friendship journal. It's been 2 days. She's still offline. I don't know what happened. But I'm curious. Like, I hope she still will be fine. She still be okay. Nina, kamusta ka na? I don't have any update about her. Apparently, I'm in my friend plot. Okay. Um, who else on the server? Oh, I only have one friend here. Okay. So, yeah. We made a memories here. Um, just in case mag-online siya one day. Oh, Nina, I miss you, mate. So, I'm gonna turn that thing off. This is just a flashback. So to do that, you're gonna remake like this example. It will play. So we're not gonna change it. So ito lang yung memories namin. Naglagay din ako ng ng book dito, English. Wala pa nakabasa, I think. Chapter 1, written by Mikey. Hello there. If you read this letter, let me tell you our first journey. She is cute. Kawaii. I can't deny that she is so gorgeous. How lovely she looks. And I love her. Our first meet, it was in the event catching insects. After the insect event, she randomly asked me, "Are you a Filipino?" I told her, "Yes." How you know I am? Did Cupid do this to fill our friendship? To lovers? I mean, she is 2 years older than me, but she is pretty. I like her, to be honest. No doubt, no lies, straight to the point. I always go to her plot when she's online. From our first meet during winter season event in Heartopia, after the concert, she talks to me a lot. She willing to be my boo. That's it for on that quote. So, may another one po dito. The rest is nasa ko lang, inventory. Hi, if you read this, thank you. I met you, Nina. My dear love, I miss you. Stop the relapse. I don't want to be homewrecker. Your last online about 11 p.m. yesterday. No idea. So it was 2 days ago now. Sana buhay pa siya, man. Sana okay pa siya. Yesterday, no idea where you went. If you read this message, love, I love you. You're not in a game only, but I love in your life. I love you in real life. I have no clue where you went. Now it's been yesterday. Can I try call you in Messenger if you are okay? She never calls back. I don't know what happened. Do you have a big problem? I'm here to listen. You're a listener willing to be listened. Nina, my love, drop this message ASAP if you read this. It feels like it happens this before. I don't want to be the one that got away. It happens from a movie or a film like A Bridge to Terabithia. In the end, the girl passed away and no longer to be exist. Nina, take care. Whenever you are, I love you, my boo. You are ML player, I know, but missing you. Call me if you need, okay? ASAP, Nina. I love you from afar, not here only, but in real life, Nina. I wanna hug you so tight, my dear love. No one also read that. I don't know. I'm still confused. So the other that I made, I did not put. It was here all along in my inventory. Okay, check natin to. Okay. Confession and afraid of commitment. Poem love later. Chapter 1. Why someone came and when we get closer each other, now she is cold. I don't want to be homewrecker. My guts already told me she is one of. I cannot edit this anymore. I don't know why. I guess book can cover their inner form. I don't want to be used to as a vital instrument. She took me a lot. She said she was 2 years older than me. Sometimes you need to accept the fact that she will never like me. But we still friends in Facebook. We used to get out together, date our couples here in Artopia. But what happened now? Admiring my heart to someone or something not exist. I guess it's my Is it because my house is messy? And only in blood, sorry, I love you, but I guess love makes a crucial sacrifice. If you really love someone, accept the fact she is just a friend and never exists, right? Why I'm such a fool? Her name is Anine. Is if you read this, I don't want to be a vital instrument of yours. It's okay to be not okay. It's okay to be not okay, right? Sometimes villains are made, but sometimes hate to hide their hateful self. Just to admit, not hurt someone. I did nothing. Like she is so cold. My last shot on her, but if etc. and only sin, very mean, bro. Do I need to go back to my ex? Also, did my friends use me to be cyberbullying on social media? I mean, this game getting socialized to get more friends. That's why I don't want my ego to overflow to someone. I guess love is just imaginary. You know, I love you, but I guess ravens and crows might be falling. I wanna avoid you now. Just to feel if you still miss, to be honest. Miss me. To be honest, I miss you, but sometimes you need to let go, right? Why do people left? Cause I'm not handsome, cause I'm a fatty, cause I'm a fool, then what the heck am I about all of this? Our pictures together explains it, our first pic in our massive house. How many liam should I make to redo my mistakes? How many liters should I make to redo my mistakes? Am I worth it? Am I a jerk? Am I a weirdo or a loser? Am I just a human? Also a ruthless heart? Oh, such mother of fire. So this, I put that quote, one of the line for Victor. Victor trying to confess on Victoria, but in there's a ghost bride who showed up, which is Emma. Kalimutan ko yung title. Sorry, I wrote this later speech while crying my teardrop. Yes, indeed, it's my teardrop that time. While crying my teardrop. Road made astral, your vital instrument. I guess sad face, our first day together. Remember the aurora borealis? I'm not kidding. I love you. This is my feeling. How beautiful you are. You are one of a kind. I respect you coming from the bottom of my heart. Chapter 1, Rejected. Unconditional love. Poem or love letter. Chapter 2. If Akaza can't hurt his loves, one specially girl on his life, so do am I. I can take care for you, you know, I get feelings for you now. Maybe villains first to be, I guess. I also have reason to ignore you, right? When Miles Morales and Gwen Stacy feels uncomfortable and unconditionally, maybe I will leave but a sign. So it's one of the lyrics that I wrote here. I forgot the title, just wanna be in your house, na 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 na, I'm done with you, na 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 na. From Cyberpunk Edge Runners. But before that, I really want to stay at your house, cooking together, catching fish together, mushroom hunt across the forest, beer and more. Nina. Did me adore you. If music was played, I wanna hold your hand forever, singing a lullaby for your good night. You visit my house, our house, I guess, not finished yet. Watching you in a bathtub, you're so kawaii. If suns meet moon, maybe I will be your twilight from day to night. Did the points connect in any universe? Does galaxy meets meteor shower? The stars align with a beautiful moon. Are you a model? Why my heart feels I love you since the morning? I'm so fucking electric. So it's from the song. Maybe time is unfair. When I look on you, it's fair. Lucky to love you. Lucky to in love with my best friend. Lucky to be had. How to unfold your back, babe. If you tried to be, I can be your leaf across the wind. Wearing your favorite windbreaker or leather jacket in cold season. I love you, just the 3 words. Why I cannot directly say this to you. Maybe you are also afraid of commitment. Or both of us afraid of it. I don't want the memories to be drift away. I'm not James Arthur, but I'm so in love with you. And I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. So ito yung pic na first holding hands namin sa bahay niya. Tapos dito, ito yung pic na nasa kami. Nag-change siya ng hair. So ito yung pic na tinawag ko siya na, uy, Taylor Swift. ang ganda niya dito. So ito yung pic na picture tayo love. Here in the center area, somewhere in the garden. Here in the future. So we're gonna read the rest of it, the message that I wrote, the one got away. It's the message. Hi, if you read this, thank you, I miss you. I miss you, stop. Oh wait, I already did this. Huh? Dalawa? What the heck? The one that got away. So I don't know where she went now. So I put a candle here. I mean, she's so gorgeous. I miss her so much. I feel sad. I lost her. I failed the metaphor. May chat siya sa akin na sabi niya aalis daw siya. I don't know where she went. And then she go flying for second. I don't know. I miss her so much. Nina, I love you. It's so hard to tell, right? That's why chilling ka lang pala sa akin. Kakat ka. Sa messenger. I miss you. Please come back. Sabi niya, aalis lang daw siya ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung aalis o na parang ganito. Na wala na siya sa feeling ko. She's already passed away. Hope not. Feeling ko may sakit siya or ewan ba or ano ba siya nagtatampo or nagtatampo what is this called? Run away to their house because sabi niya sa akin nung una na hindi sila okay ng kanyang parent. I respect her also. Ito mga memories namin. Marami pa dito. Nandito yung nasa gallery. Sa ibang pala, sorry. So this is my friend. Tinawag ko siya na tita. In her house. She is 3 years older than me. This is Nina. This is our last picture together. script niya dito. Can you see? If I could stay for a minute and rewind the time. I'm glad I met you. Maybe in another universe. Okay, ito yung picture na hindi po sa kanya to, hindi rin sa akin. So sa neighbors po namin. Tapos sinabi niya na Filipino ata may-ari nito. Ako, paano mo nasabi? Sabi niya, yung pet kasi, ang pangalan ng pet, Aaron. Yung aso. The dog name is Aaron. Ako, marami namang Aaron na. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Ako, paano sabi? Ito yung bahay ko. Our date. Kasi siguro niya sabi, may sakit siguro siya. Ewan ko, di ko alam. We hold together. This is B and Doris picture together. Oh, this is before it ends. So this is NPC Azor. A diamond type. This is Doris during snow event. We're holding it hands. This is me and this is her. It should be us. That's why limit lang pala siya. Ito yung pic namin ako. Sinabi ko sa kanya, ang ganda mo, love. You look like Taylor Swift. This is our first date during Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. We both confess feelings here. Hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. This is our first date in my plot. My old plot. This is us. This is me, Olaf, and this is her. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm thinking you're right for me. See, I'm wearing this, and then she's talked to me. So this is the second we met while in this winter area. Our first meet was doing a insects event by Naniwa from the Deer Tower. I did not take a photo or a video on it. So we got hang out here first date. Ay, kakamiss. She was 2 years older than me. Wala eh. People if we're just made a vital instrument. I don't know where she went now. A kind of multo. Online 2 days ago. Di na makalaya. Dinadalaw mo bawat gabi. Pasindi na ng ilaw. Numulton ako ng damdamin ko. Bro is a definitive stalker here. The mall. Hanip nito. Saan niya nahanap yung bromine latest plant? Ay, kakamiss. Hindi eh. May sakit na ata siya dati. Hindi ko alam. Pero ayaw niya masaktan. Feelings ko hindi niya sinabi sa akin. Kaya last chat niya sa akin is aalis ako. I don't know if she's still alive or maybe big problem, that's why she's offline. I don't know. So you can cook here nga pala. You can cook this area. Nababoard na ako dito. Wala na yung favorite person. Daming pinagdaanan niya. Nakakamiss yung mga sandaling pwede balikan ng panahon nakaraan. A kind of motto that is separate to be felt. I miss her so much. Now I'm alone playing this. I did not change. I did not play together with her here at last. She did not visit when it's finally done. Our plot, my house, carnival, circus, whatever it is. Yeah, kind of motto that doesn't exist anymore. I don't know kung naglayas ba siya or I miss her, man. So I'm gonna check the hobby now. Oh, okay, I guess. Oh. Nice. I have something to tell you. A phone call might be more convenient. Hey, Mikey. My new invitation mermaid perfume is finally ready. Though I never actually seen a mermaid, someday I'll have a magical encounter with a beautiful one. Oh, getting sidetracked? What I mean is, I should attract fish like mermaid fish attractor does. Haven't tested it yet though. Well, as my star apprentice, this honor falls to you. Why don't I try it myself? Well, a master angler like me doesn't need such tools. Okay. Use the mermaid perfume. Oh, may bago akong quest. So, I got that thing already now. Fishing mermaid perfume. Use the mermaid perfume. So, I'm gonna test that thing now. Because, first time ko lang gamitin to. Let's see if gagana ba. Now what? Use the mermaid perfume to catch 3 fish. Wow. So useless. Only one appears here. What do you mean? This is so stupid. Only one. Ano to? Is this a joke? Wait, did this thing upgrade? Oh my gosh. I can pull them easily. Heck yeah, let's go. I can basically pull them. Common ones. How's the perfume working? So as long as the fish bites, you're guaranteed to reel in it in. Even better than I imagined. Thanks for tasting. Told you I'm a fishing genius. Weh, di nga. Genius deserve even grander ideas like combining mermaid, fish attractor. Okay, this bro gave me a coin. That's completely random. So which area we should go fishing? I don't know. Let's see. East Jump puzzle. It says may piranha daw. Nasa ano, nasa yung wood. Di ko alam which part of it. Suburban Lake, Deer Tower, Shallow River. Interesting. I don't know. Saan nga ba dito? Wharf Tranquil, Fishing, Giant Mode. So, I'm gonna track on this person. 180 miles, so we're gonna go there. Just hoping we catch the piranha, if it is real. We keep grind. I don't know how many fish attractor I had. So here we are. We got 8 of it. Oh my goodness. What else do I need to delete? Bro, can I delete this? We cannot. I don't know how. Come with me and you'll be in the world. Hold on, I'm gonna sell this first to Albert Jr. Bro is in on my plot. Okay, puntahan muna natin siya. Magsasell muna ako. Hoping I can get the thing. Kaya natin kung makakuha tayo ng piranha. Okay. Sell items. Let's see. Okay. Barbot. Bebot. I think 12 is enough. I'm heading straight to the floor. Okay, let's try. Lagyan natin ng daw. Ito daw. Fish attractor. Okay, we're gonna summon that thing. It only appears one. Damihan pa natin. Until may may shadow na isda. Gusto ko makakatch ng piranha. But I don't know if we can. So I'm trying my best. Where the heck is the fish? Bro, I already put that thing. Why it doesn't let me? Huh? Confused. Ano yan? Langya. Spray. Cross to the shallow water. Okay, I'm trying to catch the thing. Get loach. Okay, again. Not worth it. So it did not appear the shadow. We're hoping Minifish thing to get a piranha. I guess we had a shrimp. Di ko alam paano nangyari nun. But, okay. Kasi meron ako ng 173. I mean, no way. Yes! Holy shit. Nakuha din. Ang ganda. Oh my god. It is. Time we got 344. Ano yun? Nakuha ko. Nakalimutan ko. Gage, pre. Bro. I got the piranha. I got the piranha. That's so cool. But 1 star, it sucks. But it's okay. We still get the piranha. Another lodge. Yes. Hello. Ah, this is a bad boy again. What is this? Oh, perch. We got 176 out of nowhere. Okay. Nice. At least nakuha natin. Ito ba yun? Sana ito yun. Hindi. Easy lang makuha. Oh, lodge freaking ass. Wait, kulang yung aim. Exact lang pala. Yes. Something there. Something up here. Something up here. There. Yeah. No, not you, you skibbity. Oh, fine, I'm gonna pull this. Let's see what fish we got. Shrimp. Come on, not worth it. Was it on a center? I forgot. 3 medium-sized fish. I hope another piranha. Come on. Sana piranha ulit. Pera na nga. Naging bato pa. Zander. What? That's a new fish. It's a human eh. Okay. Yes! I have to. Dang. Oh, that's money talks. Wow. I can't believe. I got 2. Yo! So, nakakuha ko 2. Like, I was confused. My friends had that thing. Si Nina, meron din si Nina nito. Saan nakuha yan? Nakalimutan daw niya. Wait, I need to go to Albert first. I-check ko yung kung ilan yung ilang coins ibibigay niya sa atin. Oh, wow. Ganda naman. Ano yun? Bahay? Check natin. Come with me and you. We got 6 of this. Oh my goodness. 230. Red bellied piranha. Only 1 star. That sucks. But it's okay. It's okay as long as we have a space. A bro creating a cinema here. Tignan natin. Joy Foodie. Wow. Yo, paano mo nagawa yan? Nice house, bro. So, oh my gosh. Alay, world tour muna ako. Ang ganda niyang... Bro, make also this. It should be cool if may ano dito, may glass. Paano di malagyan sa... Oh, bro, okay. Oh, may kanta din siya. Okay, that's interesting. We got film B right there. Okay, statue right there. Oh, bakit close to? Is it with only window? Bro, nice garden. I'm in a nice house. Natrap yung ano niya, yung pet. Okay, bro. May shop rin si bro. Okay. So this is a shop area. Okay, get it. Nice. Very creative. Gonna to like. Nice house, bro. Wow. Oh, may sasakyan siya. Ito, mayroon pa pala sa ano, sa taas. Paano makapunta doon? How do I go there? Do I need to look around? May upstairs si bro. I see. It's all the way here. Haba. Meron din ako niyan. Excuse me. Why the octopus is gang? See the picture. Okay, most of this bro guy friends. I thought all of the girls bro just hang out, right? Okay. Yo, ang ganda na ano niyan yung bahay. I like it. It's the same as Joy Freddy. Sino yun? Sino yun? Oh, yung yung may-ari nito. Ganda ng bahay niya. Circus yung akin. I'm heading straight to the floor. Well, time to go back to my carnival, to the circus. Pumunta talaga sa wait, bakit naka-off to? Naka-turn off ba to kanina? Oh, hindi. Lag lang. So, it's still loading. Welcome. Now showing to the carnival. I guess, nasa loob. Yung binisita ko kanina. Bro, nice plot. I got. So may si bro, may sasakyan tapos may may shop. So may carnival tayo dito. Hanap ko na itong mall na to. Stalker. Oh, I got dreams. What is this? You like money? Okay. Apparently nothing to be added right there. Oh, binasa na. Thank you. The one that got away. Oh, bro. Thank you. So, binasa niya. Nawala na yung I'm gonna close this. Because the mall is talking. Hold on, let's turn the wheel. Walang iya. Stay ka dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Tignan natin kung makapicture pa siya. Paano mo na? What the heck? Bro, how you do that? The stalker mall. Wait, 25% na lang yung akin. Matutulog muna ako. Or ano, magbabatab siguro. Batab na lang siguro. So nga ba, taas. Third floor pa yung ano, batab. Taas na yun eh. Hindi ko alam nasan pa man. Ito sana yung ano, batab niya, dalawa. Kapag batab siya dito ng ano, one time lang. Kaso hindi pa yung ganito yung ano, bahay ko. Yung bahay na old, yung ginawa niya yung pang entrance. Na-accident ko mag-click ng bagong plot. Mag-create sana ko ng ano, new plot. Kaso yung blueprint nawala, bigla nawala. Like what? Sayang yung ano. Na-disappointed. Na-disappoint ako tapos siya. Ito bit. Expression ang yeah. Don't know why the hair gonna change when you do a bathtub or sleeping thingy, right? Doesn't make sense. I'm heading straight to you. Oh, hindi pa tapos. Bathtub muna dyan. Excuse me. So 45. Sana siya yan. Miss na siya. Walang update. Status na. Six. Oh, malapit na. Ano bang panas na? Good night. So, nasa na natin 80. Malapit na. Sana kaya siya? $86 out of 100. 87, 88, 89. We got Sanji. The post. Told you po siguro. Manny de Luffy. Manny Pacquiao. Tapos yung mga edit ng mga Pinoy nito. No way. It would be too expensive anyway either. Oh, tapos na pala. Yun. Nakabatab na. Okay, now I'm trapped here. But dinosaur. I buy that from the shop from Bob. You need to level at the top first, and then you're gonna wait na mag-stock yung may dinosaur. Papakita ko pa sana sa kanya ito. Dito siya magsusulat, tapos ako dito na area. Me and Nina. Dina. By the way, nakuha ko to yesterday. So, may upuan na tayo dito na may unting relapse. Without you, I feel broke like I'm off overhaul. Kakamis. I mean, I can buy another plot, but not today. Because it costs 80k. I don't wanna waste my time. Di mo ba ako kayang lisanin?